next guest analyst. That's going to be Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for being on the show. How busy were you? What's going on? What are they saying when they ring?
It has been a busy day, and it wasn't just after the 11 o'clock release of the USDA data that really started this morning. A lot of producers just wondering what to do, and we've been talking about it for quite a few weeks on your show, where the volatility, although it appears to be there, when you look at the volatility pricing in the CME CVOL index, the volatility is actually close to a 2-year low. So I've been telling producers that even if you're bullish, the options are relatively cheap, especially when you're looking at 650 corn like we were ahead of the report. Now, I continue to believe that there might be some more headwinds in this market to come. Obviously, today, a little bit bullish of a report, but we're still pretty concerned about the way the exports in the corn market are trending right now. We're quite a bit behind last year's pace, which is certainly a red flag. So it's going to be something to keep a pretty close eye on here going forward.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up, because you're exactly right. And if you can't get exports going with your currency coming off, best part of 10% or even a little bit more, that's not a good sign, is it?
That is not a good sign, and certainly a caution flag. And I got a lot of people saying, pretty happy with where prices are at today, as they should be. These are good prices for producers, but we're really just right back where we started the year, right? We're right back at those highs. So we just kind of erased that. And if, earlier in the week you were saying, man, I wish I would have got something protected at the beginning of the year. Well, here's your opportunity. Volatility is still relatively cheap, and there's still a lot of uncertainty out there and potential headwinds, not just on the demand side, but money flow in terms of a global slowdown and a slowdown here in the U.S. as well, potentially adding headwind to the market, where funds are still historically holding a rather large net long position, when typically, this, they used to cycle in and out, right? Net short, net long, net short. They've been net long for a while now.
Yep, that's good stuff. Great info. Stay right there. We need to go away and pay the bills. We're going to come back and talk to Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago after this.